हाय फ्रेंड्स। क्या आप शेयर मार्केट में नए हो और आपको पता नहीं स्टॉक्स कैसे सर्च करते हैं? डोंट वरी, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल गाइड यू थ्रू द प्रोसेस। स्टेप 1, research and educate yourself. Learn about different industries, company fundamentals and factors affecting the stock prices. Step 2, analyze financials. Look at revenue, earning and other financial metrics to assess a company's financial health. Step 3, stay informed. Keep up with market news, company updates and industry trend that may impact stock prices. Step 4, use stock screeners. Narrow down your option based on criteria like market capitalization, dividend yield and price to earning ratio. Step 5, seek professional advice if you need. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. By researching, analyzing, staying informed, using stock screeners and seeking advice, you can make informed decision when choosing stock. Follow us for more stock market insight and tips.